2021 Mega Pack. Well, anyway, this is the third video it should be. Who cares? I'm not doing this in any order anyway. Cursive Dragon. Red Familiar. Transcicada. AI Ritual. Witchcrafter Pantronis. Yeah. Kuji-Kuri Curse. Trap Tricks Alomirus. Yeah. That's a good one. I quite want. I need that as well. A Deep Sea Aria. Water Charmer. Nadir Servant. Ice Dragon's Predator. I need this. Marine Cess. Empress of Blossom. Junk Sleep. Rika Queen Strina. Dogmatica Nation. Melfi Mommy. And Lifeless Leaf Fish. If I said any of those wrong, well, just tell me. Yeah.